Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're here with Duggee and friends, and we're gonna go on a Lego brick hunt. Hey Duggee, where exactly are we going on this Lego brick hunt? Well, in this giant house, of course. This house is quite large. Wow, it's huge. Let's go inside. Oh no, squirrels, I don't fit in the small door. I think you'll all fit, but I'll have to go in the large one. It's all right, Duggee, you could always crawl. You're right. Let's follow along, squirrels. Well, squirrels, isn't this a very nice entryway? I'm going to go have a nice sit on that couch over there. It looks very comfortable. This couch feels very strange. That's weird. It almost feels as if there's something underneath me. I think I just found our first Lego brick. Yahoo! Very nice job, Happy. And it's perfect because his brick is green, just like his. Let's go and further explore the house. How about we move on to the kitchen? It's just over here. Coming, Duggee. I'm going to leave my brick right here, so make sure you tiny fans keep it safe for me. Thank you. Ha ha ha. Make sure you boys are careful up there. Yes, in fact, it's probably a good idea that you boys come down. Wait, Duggee, what's that pink thing? Well done, Norrie. You found another brick. Good job. Go and get it. Yay, Norrie! We'll get down. This probably isn't the safest idea. Thank you, boys. Safety is always our very first priority. Of course, Duggee, no problem. Oh, I'm just so happy I found my brick. Wait a minute, I'm beginning to see a pattern here. Norrie, your dress is pink, and so is the brick. Happy's green, and his brick was also green. Very good observation, Betty. We'll continue to look for our bricks. Let's go upstairs, shall we? I shall put my brick right next to Happy's brick. Keep an eye on it for me. Now, squirrels, in order for us to get upstairs, we must climb the ladder. Yippee! Betty, you can go first. I will wait at the bottom and make sure everyone gets up safely. My turn. It looks to me like we're in the bathroom. Just look at those bubbles in the bathtub. Betty, those aren't bubbles. That's my Lego brick. Oopsies, you're right. Yippee, I'm so happy I found it. Congratulations, Teg. Yeah, good job. Oh, Teg, you have found your brick. Very nice. Shall we move on to the next room? And just in case you guys haven't already observed, but Teg's brick is the same colour as him, just as it was the same for Norrie and Happy. Keep a good watch for me, all right? Thank you. Ah, this bed is so comfortable. I think my Lego brick is underneath there. I have to get everybody off the bed to find it. Do you guys mind getting off the bed for me for a moment, please? Of course, Betty. Look, it's your brick. I'll grab it for you. We only have one more brick to find, and that's Roly's brick. All right, squirrels, let's make our way onto the deck. Oh, what a nice day. But I don't see your brick, Roly. This looks like fun to play on. jump, jump, jump. Happy, that's not a good idea. Someone could fall off. Ah! Oh no, Roly, are you all right? Oh, I'm better than all right. I just screamed because I found my brick. I'll get it down. Well, squirrels, didn't we have fun today?
Yes, we did, Duggee.
And what did you all learn from today? We learned that safety always comes first. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Duggee, what are you doing up there? Safety always comes first.